So I have not done my hair or makeup or anything. I don't care because I wanted to hop in and show you the project I just finished today. I'm super excited about it. I started it, I don't know, a month or so ago, and I just finished it. What I did was I took one of my Gelli plate prints that was kind of a busy background, but also kind of neutral. I adhered it to a piece of MDF that I already had in my stash. I have no idea when I got this piece of MDF, but there it was. So I adhered it to it, and then I painted a Monarch Butterfly. I love it. I love it. I did have some blemishes on it around the edge. I was impatient and I tried to cut the excess paper off of the MDF and it tore. So that's why I put this cute little black frame around it. Very, very simple, very mindful, very demure. Simple little frame around the edge, and I just absolutely love it. So I did film the painting of the Monarch, and I will put it next. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it inspires you to use your Gelli plate prints for maybe the same thing. Maybe you like butterflies, maybe you like birds, maybe, I don't know, maybe you can paint architecture on them. I don't know, whatever your little heart desires. Let's use them up. I love making them. Let's love using them up as well. Was that weird? Maybe. I can't help it. Okay, so I need to varnish it still, and I'm going to do that in the next few days. And stick around to watch me paint the Monarch. Thank you for joining me. So you saw really quickly on my phone just there, I used to be into photography, so that was a photo that I took, and I have started to revisit those old photos to see if I want to paint them. And when I saw that one, I thought it would be perfect for this print. The print has a slight tinge of orange to really bring out the color in the Monarch, but also there's a bluish green that would be nice with the orange. So I thought, let's roll with it. Let's see how this goes. So I started with a pencil line, and now I'm using white to just block in the segments of the wings. I'm using that as a guide, and it's not like hard and true. It doesn't have to stay there. It's, I didn't want to have pencil lines and erase them, but white paint I could just paint over and it would be fine. I don't know. It was my thought process, and it worked. So I'm just using white to block in the segments of the wings and the body so that then I can go in and start adding colors to it. So I'm going to put in some music. I did speed this up because it took me about an hour and a half, and I don't expect anybody to sit through an hour and a half painting of one small butterfly. So I sped it up to about 100%. So it should go quickly for you, and I hope you enjoy it.